This video will show you how to crochet a super quick and super pretty scarf. I'm using worsted weight yarn number 4 and crochet hook 5 millimeters. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up and share this tutorial in your Facebook. Thank you.
This video is for all of my followers who crochet with the left hand. Thank you guys for watching my videos.
You need to start to crochet 34 chains. Double crochet on the 4th chain from hook and makes 2 double crochet. You need 7 double crochet, so go ahead and crochet them. 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. After these 7 stitches, work 13 chains. After that, a slip stitch on the top of your last double crochet to make a loop. This is your first loop, okay? Then you will crochet 9 double crochet. This is 2, 3, and keep working to get the 9 double crochet. After the 9 stitches, work another 13 chains to make another loop. Slip stitch on the top of your last stitch. This is your second loop. Then work another 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, to get 9, until to get 9. Then another 13 chains in order to make your last loop. So you have your 3 loops, and then to finish this row you're going to crochet 7 double crochet stitches. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue working until get the 7 double crochet. Okay, this is the first row completed. You're always gonna work 7 stitches in the beginning and the end, and in the middle 9 stitches. Turn your work chain 2 and work another 6 double crochet back loop only. Let me show you in slow motion how you're gonna insert the hook to make the back loop only double crochet. Keep working to get your 7 double crochet back loop only. Okay, after you complete your 7 stitches, you will work into the loop 24 double crochet. 24 double crochet stitches into the loop. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have the 24 stitches done. So we're gonna close this loop, take your first and your last stitch and work a slip stitch like that. Okay, then you will work 9 double crochet stitches back loop only. Be careful to crochet the exactly quantity of 9 because sometimes the stitches are hidden. So 9 double crochet back loop only. Here we finish. Then work another 24 double crochet into the loop. Okay, after that we close this loop or link, taking our first and last stitch and doing a slip stitch. Work another 9 double crochet back loop only. Okay, after your 9 stitches, one more time, 24 double crochet into the loop, and then close your link like this with a slip stitch, and then crochet your last 7 double crochet stitches back loop only. One more time, slow motion, to show you how you crochet the back loop only, double crochet. Okay, we have done the second row, and basically this is the 2 rows you're gonna repeat. First row is with the loops, second row is with the links. And one more time, let me show you. Like the first row, work 7 double crochet, back loop only. After the 7, work the loop of 13 chains, in order to make the loop with a slip stitch in the on the top of your last double crochet. Then work your 9 double crochet, back loop only. Okay, after you're done, crochet another 13 chains, a slip stitch on the top or your last stitch, work another 9 double crochet stitches, back loop only, and work your last loop with 13 chains, join with a slip stitch, and work your last 7 double crochet, back loop only. Okay, as I told you, this is very similar like the first row we just made. And the last row is gonna be like the second row, just filling the loops with 24 double crochet to make the links. Nine double crochet, 24 stitches, 9 again, 24, and 7, your last 7. Basically that is the order. So turn your work chain 2 and work your 7 double crochet, back loop only, and work into the loop 24 double crochet stitches. Okay, go ahead to close this with the slip stitch. Continue with your 9 double crochet, 24, 9 again, 24, and 7. Basically you're gonna repeat that to the end. So the first row with the loops and the second row with the links. Keep working like that. Okay, mine is about 9 inches of width, and for the length I crochet 61 rows. You can crochet more, you can crochet less, whatever you want. Okay, let me show you how to interlace the whole loops in order to make the braids. So take the loop that is behind and pass it through the first one and repeat that. Take the loop that is behind and pass it to the first or the next one. So basically repeat that with the whole loops in order to finish your row. Repeat that with your second row of loops and your third row of loops. You're gonna get 3 rows of braids. So keep working like that. So this is how it looks with the whole braids already done. It's so beautiful, it's gorgeous. I love it. Fold your scarf just like this. So the loops gonna work like the whole buttons. So you're gonna need your needle and thread for attach your 3 buttons in this corner, and also in the back you're gonna attach a 4th button. And yeah, that's it. Hope you like this video, enjoy it, and show everyone your handmade masterpiece. Thank you. See you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.